Hey guys, welcome back to Uncover Skincare. My name is Patricia Kihoro, and Uncover is a platform where we demystify skincare and we give you tips, tricks, information so that you can understand your skin, its needs, and how you can uncover your beautiful, healthy skin. This is a video from the 101 series. As you know, Uncover recently announced our very first product just this week, sheet masks, which we're really excited about, and we can't wait for you guys to try them. You should be able to access them actually right now. Now, a sheet mask is usually infused with wonderful ingredients and nutrients, and what it does when you place it on your skin is that it creates a seal or a barrier between your skin and the mask, so it prevents the serums from evaporating, which usually happens when you apply serums or products to your skin. For 20 minutes with the sheet mask, it ensures that your skin just absorbs the nutrients, absorbs the ingredients, so that you get the full benefits of the serums on your skin. I'm here to let you know that there are right and wrong ways to put on a mask. Yep. It looks simple, and it really is, but you do have to know how to put it on. And so today I'm going to demonstrate the correct way to put on a mask so that you get 100% the full efficacy and the full nutrients from your sheet masks. Make sure that you have cleaned and toned your face, and also make sure that your hands are clean. Sheet masks are supposed to go on after you've cleansed, you've exfoliated, and you're ready to sort of infuse all the good serums into your skin. If you store your sheet masks vertically, then please remember to massage the package before opening it, as the serum has likely sunk to the bottom and your sheet mask won't be as soaked. So we recommend actually storing your sheet masks horizontally at home. Remove the sheet mask from its pouch. Unfold the sheet mask, including the nose flap. Place your sheet mask onto your face and use the inner corner slits as your guide to align with your own eyes. Gently straighten and pat down the rest of the mask to attach to your face as best as it can. Remember, we all have different faces, so no mask is going to fit all faces perfectly, but you can do the best that you can. The main point is to make sure that the mask covers your skin and gets the serum goodness onto all areas of your skin. Remember that because our mask is fabric and it's full of cellulose that holds maximum serum, it's also quite stretchable, so you can also rip slits slightly if that helps you to attach the mask to your face better. Take off your mask after 20 minutes. Don't keep the mask on till it gets completely dry, because at that point, the mask has already begun to absorb the serum back from your face into itself, as it's drier than your face. And never ever go to sleep with your mask on your face. Don't wash it off. It's supposed to absorb into your skin just the same way you would put a moisturizer. You don't wash off the moisturizer, you let it stay onto your skin. I'm going to add a little note here. Please do not reuse your masks. That is very unsanitary. So once you use your mask, once you're done, make sure to dispose of it, and next time use a brand new mask. Soon we're gonna be doing a sheet masks 102 video where we'll be giving you tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your sheet masks. Visit our Uncover website. We've put the link in the description box below, and you can find out so much more about sheet masks. We've put all that info there for you. Make sure to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notifications whenever we upload a video. And comment below, how often do you sheet mask? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mimi msabibu, mimi msabibu, nanyi ni matawi yangu. If you know, you know.